Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to be looking at LOML by Taylor Swift. This song literally is like 3 chords. We're going to really be looking at root notes today, those slashes and the chord symbols. We'll learn all about them. First, we'll look at the chords the song takes, the patterns we use for them, and then lastly, we'll go through the whole song as a full tutorial. Those 3 moments are in the description and key moments below. We start on a C major, super simple, we love it, C, E, G. C major, C, E, G. But we will soon see that C chord with a lot of slashes over almost every other note. C/G, first of all, which means that the G is then going to be in the root, and we can still play that C chord with the G in the root. We might also see C over F. So C chord with that F in the root. Or C over E, also in this song. C chord still with that E in the root. So we'll see that C/G, C/F, C/E. Not all in a row, but throughout this song. The other big chord of the song is our A minor. A, C, E, A minor. And they like to make this an A minor 7. So we're going to do A, C, E, G. A minor 7. We add the 7th note away from that A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A, C, E, G. So we'll do A minor 7 a lot through this song. And the last chord that they will want us to use is a D minor. We're going to spell that D, F, A. And once again, this is the 7th chord. So we're going to actually do D, F, A, and add C. 7th note up from D. D, F, A, C. That chord happens 2 times in this song. Very briefly, but get it down. It's a lovely texture, lovely sound. Let's look at some of the patterns now. We start on that C major. It goes to A minor 7. Right? All I had to do is add the thumb onto A. Then we get a C over G. My thumb went down just one more. C chord over G. We play that for double the length, and it restarts. C, A minor 7, C over G. That gets us going. Then, as I mentioned, we'll see a C over F. Then back to that A minor 7, and the C over G. It's a new color, right? C over F, but the 2nd chord and the 3rd chord are the same. That gets us through all the verses and the choruses. When we get to the bridge, we add that D minor 7. Then we go to a C over E, E in the root, C chord notes. Then that C over F, right next door, for 2 bars. Again, D minor 7, C over E, C over F. Then we'll go to a G. Let's walk all the way through LOML. Ready on this C major. In my left hand, I'll often play the roots. Right? Just to give a little more texture, sometimes double the roots. I'm getting really dramatic. Along with the chord. Ready, C major, 2, 3, 4. F, A minor 7, C over G. Interlude. C, verse 2. A minor 7. C over F. A minor 7. C over G. Always 2 times. C over F. A minor 7. C chorus. End it right there. I loved playing with you today. See you on the next video. Play on.